That's why you should have to pay special attention on wet roads.
Oh, dove vai? Dove cazzo vai? Oh! Quel signore ha attraversato col rosso. Dove vai? Oh! Dove vai? Vieni là con me, dove vai? Mi stai facendo ammazzare, oh! Ammazzi la gente! Tu stavi con il rosso! È bagnato! Guidi la macchina te? Lei guida la macchina?
Ti sei fatto male?
Porco due, lei guida la macchina? Perciò non si può rendere proprio conto.
Perché c'è da fare la strada.
No, c'ho pure il video io, grazie. Però porca puttana, cazzo!
Poi siete pericolosi perché fate ammazzare.
Venga con me, venga, venga. Porco due.
This happened when a cyclist knocked on his car, was parked in the cycle lane. Then this happens.
Bike lane. There's a bike lane right here. You're parked in the middle of it. What's that?
Knock on my fucking car. Next time, you just pull up to the window and say something. Don't knock on my shit.
Why are you endangering people's lives with your...
my shit.
This machine kills 40,000
on
people.
my fucking shit, bitch.
Why is misogyny called for in this situation?
Let me tell you something. Before you start fucking with somebody, you better ask yourself what the fuck they're going through.
So what about you fucking with bicycle traffic? This is a piece of infrastructure designed to save the lives of human beings. When you block it...
Look, bitch, I'm getting ready to move my car, so you better leave me the fuck alone.
I really appreciate you not breaking the law. That's a basic expectation of living in a...
I'm moving my fucking car,
Good.
so leave me the fuck
Excellent.
alone.
Get on it. Let's go. Are you experiencing some toxic masculinity right now, sir?
No, I'm not.
Your dog's very cute, sir.
This video is from Matthew Sant. When a car hit from behind on a right.
Fucking hell. Oh.
You alright, man?
Yeah, you're right, mate. Matt, what's your name? Fucking hell.
This happens when these bikers are chilling on traffic light. This happens when a car driver oversteps the turn on a corner.
What the fuck are you doing? Pull over! Pull over! Pull over! Pull over! Pull over, bro. I got you on camera. Bro, I got so lucky. He's paying for these. He's paying for these. I braked as hard as I could without sliding out. What was that about, man? What was that about? You're in the middle lane. Yes, you were in the middle lane. I have it on camera.
Because of this kind of riders, lane splitting is a crime in some countries. Can anyone tell how this happens? I hope you learned something from those clips. Comment down below guys, you ever gonna face issues like that? And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.